Hey guys, so for today's assignment you are going to take your game of life, 6 different parts, and you're going to input some of your information. So for number 1, it asks for your, based on your GPA, what degree you earned. So you'll go back to part 1 and you will tell me which degree you earned. For number 2, you will go to part 2. And you will tell me their federal and state tax amounts, so just the numbers that you got. So I would have my federal was $14,875 and my state was $4,393. For question 3, you will tell me from part 3 the amount of Social Security. So you'll go to part 3. And you will tell me your Social Security tax. So mine would be $4,735.87. For question 4, you're going to look at part 3 and you're going to tell me your net income after the taxes. So you're going to look at the very bottom. After you took all your different taxes out, what was your net income? So my answer would be $48,028. For question 5, you're going to go to part 4 and tell me your new paycheck amount after your insurance and student loans were taken out. So you will look at your insurance, your student loans, and you will look at your new paycheck amount. So that would be your answer. For question 6, you're going to go to part 5 and tell me your monthly car payment and your insurance payment that you chose. So my car payment is that, insurance is that. For number 7, you're going to tell me what your monthly grocery bill calculated out to be, which was in the very last part, which would just be what you determined at the end of your grocery bill. And then the very last question, you're going to tell me how much is left after you calculated all your expenses. So what you got at the very end of the assignment. Good luck!